How to add fractions. In this video, we will learn about adding fractions. What do we need to know prior to that? Like and unlike fractions and least common denominators, that is LCM. Let us have a quick revision, quick recap on like and unlike fractions. I'm going to give you 3 examples here for like and unlike fractions each. Take 2 seconds to see any pattern, or is there anything common between or anything uncommon? Yes, you're right. Like fractions written in blue have the fractions with same denominator. On the other hand, unlike fractions written in red are the fractions with different denominators. Let us now add fractions with same denominator, that is adding like fractions. Although the steps to add like and unlike fractions are same, however, like fractions are pretty easy to solve. Step 1. You find the LCM of the denominators. Since the denominators are 20 in both the fractions, so it is easy for us to write it as 20. And we have added 12 and 7, which is 19 over 20. So what do we see? We learned that only numerators need to be added in the like fractions. Same denominator, answer will be always the same denominator and you only add the numerators. Let us have one more example. Now you see that the 3 fractions denominator was written 50. So I added only the numerators, that is 37 plus 2, 39 plus 3, 42. Another example. So you got it that like fractions are the fractions with same denominator. While adding fractions with same denominator, we only add the numerators. Adding unlike fractions, that is different denominators. So in order to make the denominators same or common, you find the LCM first. Also remember, always ensure that you make a rough column. Now, I know that the LCM is 45. Now, using the concept of equivalent fraction, which is when we multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. So in the first fraction, 7 over 15, 15 and 45. 15 times 3 is 45, so the same respective numerator is also multiplied by 3. And here we get 21 plus 10 over 45. The answer is 31 over 45. Let's see one more example. Same steps to be followed in all the questions, whether you have 2 or 3 or more fractions. What you need to do is make the denominator common. So you need to find the LCM first. Now in this particular question, the last number is a whole number. How do we turn that into a fraction? You got it right. You place 1 in the denominator. Again, using the concept of equivalent fractions here, we multiply the numerator and denominator by a same number. Now we got 61 over 10. 61 over 10 is an improper fraction which can be written as 6 whole 1 over 10. Another sum. You can see 4 fractions in this question. We follow the same steps, make the denominators common. Apply equivalent fractions, we will multiply the numerators. If the denominator is multiplied by 2, so the respective numerator will also be multiplied by 2. I have done the first step for you all. I've given you the answer. I want you all to try. Now let's see in the next. Let's see if we got the answer correct to this question. Kudos to all those who tried. Even if the answer is incorrect, A quick wrap up. Fractions are easy when you follow the steps. Remember, same denominator, like fractions, you are numerators. Different denominators, you find the LCM first and then add the. If you have got it, share your answers to 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 in the comments. Like and subscribe for more math hacks. Now slay your math class by adding the fractions correctly.